Pictory creates short video from long video. As you know, you can make several videos from a long video. And maybe you need to convert long video to short video. Sign up to this website. After creating an account, you will see this page. This AI has so many features, but now click on this option. Here you have to upload your video. I upload this video now. Now click on Proceed option. In this time, Pictory will analyze your video, and the video transcription will be automatically detected. It will take a few seconds based on your video length. Now here in the left section, you will see the video transcription sentence by sentence. Now I will show you the easiest way. From this part, as you can see, there are different seconds and minutes. If you click on each one, a video with the same length of minutes will be generated for you. Now, these sentences that turned into a different color are the sentences that have been detected by this AI for this short video. Now here you can select each of them you don't want, and then click on Unhighlight option. Also, if you want, you can add the sentence you like to this video. To do this, select the desired sentence, and then click on this option. In this section, the duration of this video is written, according to which you can increase or decrease the sentences of your video if needed. If you want to convert your video format from landscape mode to portrait or square mode, you can do this from this section. For example, I now choose the portrait option, and as you can see, my video is displayed like this. The size of this video is suitable for YouTube Shorts or similar platforms. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. It is written on each part that each size is suitable for which platform. If you want to have a subtitle and its format is different, you can check different styles from the bottom and then choose one of these styles. Your video is ready to download right now. You can download this video by clicking on this option, but you have another option. This is to customize the video. In this section, you have the possibility to do many more customizations on this video. For example, you have the choice to use subtitles here or to remove them from your video entirely. Click on this option to remove. You might want to add a text on a specific slide. To do this, select that slide and then click on the text option in the menu. From here, you can add a text box on the desired page and write what you want. Or, for example, maybe you want to show a video or a small image next to the slide of this video. To do this, you need to add a video. Enter the visual section and find the desired photo video from this section. For example, I will choose a random photo to show you how you can do this. Now click on this plus option to display this image as a small photo on this slide. You can even upload a photo or video from your system from this section and add it to your video. As I said, you can do a lot of customizations in this section, which I suggest you watch other videos on the channel for more training. The link and lifetime discount code is in the description. And this was the easiest and fastest way to convert long video to short video with AI. This is really a useful AI tool that you can work easily with it. At the end, you can download your video by clicking on this download option.